Hi, I'm Hawk with Cheyenne US Repair, and I'm here today with a little public service announcement to help yourselves to make your clip cord, your power cord, last a good, long, healthy life. Often I see these guys coming in at the repair center and the insulation has been pulled back and the cable's exposed, and it's a shame. I hate to see it. It's a sad thing to see. So today I'm here to talk about how to make your Cheyenne power cable last, and that is, don't yank on it. That's simple. Grab it by the plastic. When you pull it out, don't yank on it. You'll be good. That cable will last you for years. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful for you. Check out the rest of our videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair, and I'll see you next time.